Now student, we are studying about the study of indicators, and I have here phenolphthalein indicator which shows the color change into the acidic medium and basic medium. So I have acid, for example here is a HCl acid and a one base, that is NaOH. These are very simple bases and we check the color change. Why? Because the chemical reactions are very important when they are visualized. So there is no change in the acidic medium. Okay, now this solution is NaOH. Okay, sodium hydroxide, it is a base. Type of reaction is there, light pink color or NaOH में, that means the basic, it indicates that solution is made up of base. और acid में कुछ भी नहीं हुआ है, इधर देख लो, there is a change of color. ये acidic medium है, ये basic medium है. ऐसे टाइप की रिएक्शंस होती है छोटी छोटी, यही स्टडी करना है, विजुअलाइज टाइप की रिएक्शंस जो होती है वो. ओके